guys, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about one of the latest launches from Maybelline. Okay, so I have a confession. I am obsessed with shiny glossy lipsticks lately, and I am so glad that it is back in trend. But the only drawback with, say, a glossy lipstick is that it's not long lasting. And with this new Maybelline launch, we get the best of both worlds, which is why I was so excited when this finally launched here. I was really looking forward to trying this and showing you guys how to use it, and also do like a wear test to figure out if it's actually long lasting or not. Okay, so this is the new Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink range. This range has 8 gorgeous shades. I love the nudes, and we have some beautiful brights as well. And it lasts all day. It's a smudge-proof, transfer-proof formula that claims to last up to 16 hours long, and it's also a vegan formula. I really love the packaging of it. The packaging is nice and sturdy. I love that it correlates to the color of the lipstick that is in it, and that just makes it really easy to wear the shades. I mean, for me personally, I tend to grab shades if I can see them in my collection, so it just makes it easy to organize, and I really love the packaging. It's beautiful, it's very thoughtfully done. And then the formula in itself is really interesting. It almost took me a minute to kind of understand what's going on, because I'm so used to, say, a lipstick going on shiny at first and then it just settles into this matte look. But with this, once you apply it, it just goes on like shiny, and once it settles and once it dries, it is still shiny, which is my favorite part about this lipstick. We have 8 shades in this collection, and let me show you all of the swatches. Let's start with Peachy. It is a beautiful warm-toned muted coral with hints of peach in it. It is a beautiful nude if you have fair to medium skin tone, and I think it'll look really nice paired with a smoky eye. Next we have Koi, which is a cool-toned plummy pink. Next we have Saucy. It's a warm-toned rosewood shade, which I think would look amazing on every skin tone. Next we have Lippy, which is again a very warm-toned color, which will look amazing on medium to dark skin tone. It's very similar to Saucy, but has a little bit more brown tones to it. Next we have Witty, which is a slightly warm-toned purpley mauvey nude. Next we have Red Hot. This is a warm-toned bright tomato red. It's so glossy, I love it. Next we have Wicked. This is a cool-toned medium to dark brick red. Last but not the least, we have Unrivaled. This is slightly cool-toned, has a bit of a plummy purpley undertone to it, and it's a beautiful burgundy shade. I'm going to apply the shade Saucy. It's a beautiful rosewood shade. To apply, you have to shake this first for at least 5 seconds. Okay, so once you're done shaking, go ahead and apply it as you would regularly do. Make sure that you're applying it on clean, dry lips. I really love the applicator that comes with it. It is very cushiony. It has a nice rounded tip, so that makes application really even and precise. I also really like how much product this picks up. Okay, so to apply, I'm going to start with my upper lip. So once you're done applying, wait for it to dry, and once it dries, you can go on with your day. I am going to take you guys along with me. I really want to test this out. I want to see if this is 16-hour long lasting, and if it actually is smudge proof and transfer proof. So once it's dry, this is what it looks like. Hi, so it's been over an hour since I started filming around 12. I got done with all my swatches, and I have Saucy on my lips right now. I think it's my favorite, and I really love this color, and it still has the vinyl finish. Looks really nice and glossy, and it feels super comfortable on my lips. And despite all of the work and half a cup of coffee, it has survived. And I'm just gonna take a coffee break and continue with my day. It's lunchtime. It's almost 4 in the afternoon. I just took a nice tea break. The lipstick is doing so good. Still glossy, still intact. There's nothing on my glass. And the lipstick is exactly how it was when I first applied it. Let's try a kissing test. I have a couple of hair, but the lipstick didn't budge. It passed the kissing test.
Can I try the kissing test on you, Sushu? Let's try the kissing test. Pass the test.
It's dinner time. Last meal of the day. And last check-in for the lipstick. I am so impressed. Even mom has applied it. Your lip is still, it looks so nice and glossy, shiny. It's very pretty. It actually stays glossy. So these lipsticks are priced at rupees 849 each. I am going to link them right down in the description box, so make sure you check them out. I'm going to leave everywhere they are available, and let me know which color you thought was the best. Which one did you like the most? Are you excited to try it? And if you've tried it, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.